Ever wondered what you should never pack in your checked luggage? Well, curiosity ends here. We're about to journey through a countdown of the top 10 items that should never find their way into your checked luggage. Starting at number 10, we have valuables. From jewelry to electronics, these items present too much of a risk. Lost or damaged luggage could turn your trip into a nightmare. Always keep these items close in your carry-on. Number 9, perishable food. With temperature and pressure changes, your favorite cheese or a ripe banana could turn into a gooey, messy disaster. Not to mention, certain countries have strict regulations about importing food. Coming in at number 8, car keys. Imagine landing at your destination only to realize you've checked your car keys. Now you're stranded at the airport waiting for a locksmith. Keep your keys close in your pocket or carry-on. At number 7, we have medication. In case of flight delays or lost luggage, you want to ensure you have access to your prescriptions. Health should never be compromised, so always keep your meds within reach. At number 6, lighters and e-cigarettes. Due to fire safety regulations, these items are not allowed in checked baggage. If you must bring them, keep them in your carry-on or on your person. Halfway through our countdown, at number 5, we have fragile items. Delicate souvenirs, glassware, or musical instruments should stay with you in your carry-on. Checked luggage often undergoes rough handling, which could easily break these items. Number 4 on our list is important documents. Passports, IDs, credit cards, and travel documents should always be within your reach. Losing these could mean a logistical nightmare and potentially ruin your trip. Coming in at number 3, spare lithium batteries. These batteries can catch fire if they're damaged or short-circuit. For safety reasons, pack these in your carry-on and protect them from damage. Our runner-up at number 2 is cash and cards. Losing your money or cards can leave you stranded in a foreign country. To avoid this, always keep your cash and cards close to you. Finally, at number 1, we have aerosols. They're pressurized and can explode due to changes in altitude. To avoid a potential mess, keep your aerosols in your carry-on, within the liquid restrictions. And there you have it, the top 10 items to never pack in your checked luggage. From valuables to aerosols, each item on this list poses a potential risk to your travel plans. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry. So, the next time you're packing for a trip, keep these tips in mind and ensure a hassle-free journey. Safe travels!